Hi! Want to prevent your Samsung Galaxy A25 from overheating? As a first step, open Settings and then go to this tab which is named Connections. Here it will be perfect if you will disable Bluetooth and NFC every time when you don't need it. NFC is used for the contactless payments and it's used only on the shops, and the Bluetooth is also not always in use. So if you will disable them, it will help your phone to not overheat. Next thing that we can do here is to go to this tab which is named Display, and here disable this thing named Adaptive Brightness, because this feature can sometimes do the brightness on the maximum, and then more the brightness is, then more it drains the battery. Don't be lazy to adjust the brightness by yourself. Next thing that we can do, that's to find a tab which is named Apps and delete all of the applications that you don't use. You can find here really a lot of applications, even if I haven't downloaded anything, but a lot of them I don't even need, and they can also overheat your phone because of the background process. Next thing that we can do, that's to close all of the recent applications that you don't use. For that, click on these three dots on the navigation bar and close things that you don't use. So next step that we can do is to go back to Settings, and here we would need to find a tab which is named Software Updates. So let's look for it. Here is it, Software Update. By clicking on it here, we would need to click on this button Download and Install, and your phone will check for new updates, and if is there any new update. Don't be lazy to update your phone, because new updates not only gives you a new features but also fix lags and bugs that may be the reason of overheating. But currently I have the latest software update version. And the last thing that we can do, that's to regularly restart our phone. It doesn't have to be a few times in a day, it can be one time per 2 to 3 days to normalize the work of your phone. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.